Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to provide internet access to your FortiGate firewall using just laptop, no ISP required. Yes, you heard that right. We'll use simple internet sharing trick to power up your FortiGate and get it online through the WAN to port. Make sure you watch till end because I will not only walk you through the step-by-step setup but also show you how to troubleshoot common issues. So first I will connect my internet sharing laptop to the FortiGate device using LAN cable. Then I will open network setting, go to Wi-Fi setting, then click on Properties and navigate to the Sharing tab. Here I will enable Internet connection sharing. Next I will select the Ethernet port to which the LAN cable is connected and then click Save to make the changes. Once that done, I will connect the LAN cable to the WAN 2 port of the FortiGate firewall for the internet connection. So I will refresh the FortiGate GUI dashboard, but still it's showing the red. WAN to port is showing red. Until it's showing green means physical connectivity is not dropping. So I will try to jack out and jack in again the LAN port of the FortiGate firewall and laptop, and I will try to refresh the page. So still it's showing the red. It's not so showing green. So I will try to refresh again, but still it's showing. Yes, now I can see that port is showing green, which means it's physically connected. Next, I will try to click on port and to interface. The addressing mode should be at DHCP. The status now shows connected, indicating that it has obtained both an IP address and DNS also. To verify internet connectivity, I will run the command ping 8.8.8.8 from the CLI and it's showing the reachable. So however, we still need to add default route. For this, go to network static route, then click create new, set the destination 00, choose when to interface and set the gateway to dynamic. At this point, I will try to ping 8.8.8.8 from a system connected via Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi is connected to my FortiGate firewall. So I will try to ping 8.8 via that system, but still it's not pinging. So I need to check static route is configured properly on when to interfaces it's properly. So then I will check is there policy is there. So I will check the policy, and upon investigation I notice that in the firewall policy the destination interface is set to WAN 1, which is incorrect. So I will update it to WAN 2 and click OK to save the changes. So I try to ping again on that system, but still it doesn't work. So I will try to clear session. So I will disconnect and reconnect my Wi-Fi connection on the laptop. I will connect again to account team. I will first of all disconnect and then I will reconnect and I will refresh. It's showing hit. So after that I try pinging again and now it's working. The policy hit count is also increasing, confirming traffic flow. So we have successfully provided internet access, and that's it. You have just learned how to provide internet to a FortiGate firewall using a laptop, no ISP. This method is perfect for testing environments, labs, or if you are pinch without a direct WAN connection. If this video help you, make sure to give it thumbs. It really supports the channel. Have questions, got stuck, or want to me cover more FortiGate tutorials, drop a comment below. I read every one of them. I don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon so you never miss hands-on networking tutorial like this. Thanks for watching video.